QLPlatforms, which was established in 2005, is a large manufacturing enterprise dedicated to the research and development, manufacturing, sales, leasing and technical services of construction suspended working platforms and fittings. This company covers an area of 60 acres with over 150 employees and 10,000 sets of products per annual sales. The company has advanced 200 tons die casting machine and uses the national standard aluminum for raw materials. It is equipped with laser cutting machine, welding robot and CNC machining center. The company has scientific and technological production line and high standard production technology to improve product quality standards. It has 15,000 square meters of warehouse workshop, which can accommodate 10,000 sets of finished suspended platforms, and is equipped with over 30 people of professional logistics and after-sales team, which can supply shipment of 100 sets of suspended platforms each day. During years of development and innovation, now the company has 3 series of more than 10 kinds of suspended platform products, and can provide customized services according to users' needs, which can truly embody the integration of design, manufacture and installation. Our products can meet the construction and decoration of the outer wall of high-rise and multi-story buildings, the operation of shipbuilding industry, the installation of elevator, the construction of large tanks, high-rise TV towers, large bridges and so on. The product's fittings of hoister and lock have been honored many national patents, and the suspended platform products keep no quality and safety incidents to make the company become the customer's most trusted safe, suspended platform manufacturing enterprise and safe model in this industry. QLPlatforms obtained Enterprise Credit AAA level certification in 2020. All products are in accordance with the ISO 9001 International Standard Quality System Certification, has been awarded the honorary title of China Construction Suspended Platform Top 10 Brands. By the end of 2021, the QLPlatforms market share has exceeded 100,000 units. QLPlatforms sells well all over the country and exported to more than 20 countries. QLPlatforms is recognized as a first-class brand for safe work at height, and a specialist on the suspended platform manufacture. We have always been known for our innovative solutions. This makes our products the first choice, access to height projects in surrounding market. Our goal is to serve clients around the world with superior safety products and solutions.